Hello everybody, my name is Hani Faraj with Vancouver House Finders, and today I want to talk to you guys about how to get prepared for your first open house as a seller. Now typically the realtor has to do all the work, but you as a seller, you actually have some work to do. The first thing I would do is make sure the house is perfectly clean, all the clothes are put away, there's no laundry or anything like that outstanding, as well as there's no personal items out. If you have any valuables like jewelry or camera or alcohol that's really expensive, please don't leave it in the home. Take it with you or hide it somewhere where nobody can see it or it's not easily accessible, because buyers are most likely gonna open, let's say, closets or certain things like that. Okay. Another thing you should do is not avoid cooking really foods that have a lot of aroma or spices before the open house. I would kind of just leave all the windows open if they're open. I would have all the windows, also all the drapes and window coverings open as well to bring in as much light as possible. If you could have some kind of vanilla scent or something like a cinnamon scent in the house, that would really help you. So those are just some of the things that actually you should do to prepare for your first home. I wouldn't be in the house. A lot of people are like, oh, can I stay in the home for the open house? I highly recommend that you're not there, because that could actually impact how people are talking about your home. Sometimes they're not really comfortable if you're there because they can't really speak freely. I know in some environments like COVID or whatnot, people don't want to have open house, and I completely understand why, but just realize most of our agents are actually prepared to give people gloves and masks when they enter a property, so just don't worry about that, because we're going to make sure that everybody's covered. So these are some of the things you could do to actually be ready for an open house as a seller. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me or subscribe to our videos if you enjoyed the content. Thank you and have a good day.